Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your Samsung device for a security patch update. Make sure the battery is at least 50% charged and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Sign into your Samsung account to allow update services to verify eligibility. Back up your photos, contacts, and app data to Samsung Cloud or a local computer. Locate your model number under Settings, then About Phone to confirm compatibility and to record the current software version. Open Settings, scroll to Software Update, and tap Download and Install to check. If an update appears, review the release notes for the security patch details and download size. Keep the device connected to stable Wi-Fi and avoid mobile hotspots during the download. If the over-the-air option fails, install Samsung Smart Switch on a PC and connect the phone with a USB cable. Smart Switch can detect firmware and download updates when OTA is unavailable. When the download completes, tap Install Now to begin the security patch installation. The phone will reboot and apply the update. Expect the process to take between 15 and 30 minutes. Do not disconnect or interrupt the device during installation. After the phone restarts, open Settings, then About Phone to confirm the new security patch level and build number. If any apps behave oddly, clear the app cache or reboot again. Restore your backup only if you detect missing data or issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.